Okay.
Do you hear me well or something?
Oh, what did you say? Sorry, I didn't get that.
Yeah. Do you hear me? Do you hear me well?
Yeah, yeah, we
Yeah.
can hear you.
Great.
Okay, so I think then we can get started.
Mhm.
So currently we're sharing to like our whole program right now. They'll view us on YouTube. So I guess we can introduce ourselves. So hello everyone. My name's Ocean Kiribaki and I'm the sponsorships lead of Hack Alpha X. And this is the Flatlogic Fundamentals Workshop for any of you that want to use Flatlogic for your project. And I'd introduce all of you to Alex, a software engineer, and Elysia, a marketing specialist at Flatlogic.
Yep. Hello, everyone.
Hi, everyone.
Yeah, I think Alessia can start. Yeah, a
Yeah,
little
sure.
bit. Mhm.
So we represent Flatlogic, and we want to say a few words about our company and about our product. So Flatlogic platform is an AI-powered platform that enable businesses to create business software. We also offer a unique product which called Flatlogic Generator. This is an AI powered tool that translates natural language or user interface input into fully functional web applications. This tool is designed to facilitate the development of various data systems such as ERP, CRM, CMS, and admin panels. Flatlogic Generator offers several advantages over traditional low-code and no-code platforms. When using our Flatlogic Generator, you have full ownership of the generated code, allowing for extensive customization and avoiding scalability issues often associated with low-code and no-code solutions. And Alex will tell you more how to use our product, Flatlogic Generator.
Yeah, I will tell, of course, and I will try to show you. Need to. Can you guys see my screen right now? Yeah, or something.
Mm, 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 mm.
I don't know. I'll try to share my screen.
Maybe Ashwin, you need to approve the screen
Yeah,
sharing.
already. Let's
I
try
think
once.
you should have access. Oh yeah, I think
Yeah,
yeah, I can see.
can you? Oh, yeah. Finally. So, okay, let's start. Welcome to Flatlogic. As Alice said, we business software application where we can build a blah 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 blah. So I'll show you some magic stuff. Um, so we can generate a full software application with full backend and front end part. And so let's start with add new application. Right here on create new project page, we can, well, of course, we can set up some application name and domain, but right now we interesting this part when we can, I don't know, speak about our application. Let's start with, I don't know, I want, let's say, um, uh, yeah, I don't know, school management app management. Yeah, sorry. Oh, okay. That's with some spelling mistake. So we can communicate with this AI and tell it what we want to build. Okay. Yeah, it's just a school. Uh, okay, and in this right side you can see a box when we can learn what we will get and what we should do if we want some more existing part. So okay, blah blah blah. Yeah, okay. And let's add some role system for my app. So for different type of user can log in, let's say. Yep, okay, we will get me started, teacher, student, parent. Okay, yeah, it's good, it's perfect for me. And let's say, I don't know, school app, something like this, and with this subdomain. Okay, it's fully good for me. So right now, at this step, our AI generate a fully model for our application. It takes some time. I don't think it will take 17 seconds, but looks like it's going to be less. We can choose different theme for our application. I don't know. I want dark one. Looks like it will be interesting theme for my school application. In general, we will have different fields, different model. It's similar for software engineer part when we can choose and adjust some. Oh, yeah, okay, it's always done. So our application will have a user model, assignment, classes, grades, school, parents. Okay, why not? Students, teachers, roles, permission. Yeah, okay, it's fine for me. And right now we can adjust something and I don't know, add something or remove something and so on. But we can change this. We can do this modification in the next steps. So okay, it will be once again dark theme with these entities. Okay, let's move forward. Yep, Git connection. I will do it a little bit later, but right now I just want to finish and deploy. So right now we are on our project page when we can see some information about our application. Right now, adjust our domain and so on and so on. So it's once again fully built front end and back end part. It takes some time. It takes something like 5 minutes. So we have some time to speak about our application. So this is still have a page with a schema. When we can, like I said before, adjust it, we can, I don't know, let's say parents have a, I don't know, some kind of animal, and it's going to be string like an animal name, unique, multi-time, it's okay. So right now, our model parents have a animal and so on, so I can save it. Okay, and we have a code preview tab when we can see what we have in code perspective for our application. It's going to be backend part, it's going to be front-end part, but once again, it's tab for engineer, for programming who can work with this part. And of course, we have a specification. When we see all our communication, we can download it, and in near future, we work with this part when you can add or ask something new for our application. Uh, so we have, I think, 3 minutes more. I want to push my code to GitHub. When I can adjust my application, let's create new account. Oops, looks like here's already exist. Let's say school. Let's say my school. Oops, my school app. Yep, great. And we are gonna push all this code from this application to my GitHub account when I can work with this code. Yep, great. Here's my application. Like I said, it's backend, front-end part with little bit instruction about how we can work with it, how we can work with the Docker, local deployment, and so on and so on. But in general, we have two branches, master branch and generated branch. So if we made some changes in our application, in schema, or something like this, and after push to GitHub, our code will be pushed to generated branch. All deployment right now will go from main branch. But yeah, okay, how many time I have? So right now it's building front end part. Uh, need I think 2 more minutes. Okay, so if we want change something on front end or back end part, like I said before, we must do it on master branch. Uh, and I don't know. Let's do something and deploy this part later, but I think we have something like uh, login page. Why not? And let's make some changes. I don't know. Maybe something like where is it? Privacy, background, illustration, your browser. Okay. Show notification. Something not very important. Uh, where's oh, okay. I don't know. Let's make something uh, super admin, like just not super admin, not something specific, but we'll see it changes a little bit later. Okay. So how many time do I have? Okay, almost done. Yeah, it's done with the front end part, and right now it's working with the backend part. Oh, yeah, it's almost done. And I think in minutes we will see a result of our deployment. Uh, yeah. Also, we have a collaboration tab when you can invite user, and this user can work with this project from this site, and I think it will be cool and interesting. Come on, where is it? Almost done. Yeah, log pages show you what is going on backend side, but right now our application is still in deployment, so no logs found. Still, come on. Uh, yeah, one. Come on. Well, okay. Until it's done, I can show you setting tab when you can choose wherever you want to deploy. It's from scratch or from your GitHub page. You can choose clone your project. Oh, and here you have fully access to your project database, and you can work it through near CLI and so on and so on. Oh, looks like it's done. Okay, so what we have right now. Here's my application, school app, nice background, login, and yeah, let's check what we have in our application. So, like we see in our schema, we have different entities. It's use, assignment, class, grade, parents, and so on and so on. So here is all. Okay, let's start from users. It's just a typical users with a typical login password field and so on and so on. We can work with this and I can adjust something. Assignments, okay, nice homework. Great, why not? We have a classes, we have a grade, and yeah, of course, it's just a mock data, nothing special. Okay, we have parents, students, and so on and so on. Okay, let's check roles. We have administrator, principal, vice principal, senior student. Okay, great. And our client is principal, John is vice principal. Okay, so what we have and what we can do in our application. We have Swagger API. So once again, it's similar for software engineer or backend engineer when you can work. If you want use our platform or our application just for backend part, you can fully check how it work with what kind of data or what kind of field and authorization and so on and so on. So you can work and forget about UI part, front end part, and work only with the backend side. We can create a widget or chat. So we have, for example, I don't know, I want users do we have? Let's check. I think 3 users we here, but let's check. Okay, it's fine. And I don't know. average average rate for let's say average rate. Just check. Okay, not so good, but let's say uh, great. Uh, yeah, a little bit less. Okay, and I don't know. Let's add some bar or bar chat. I don't know. Users in bar charts. Let's check. I don't know. Oh, yeah, perfect, perfect. Okay, client user. Okay, and once again, it's gonna be principal widgets. I right now as a super admin. Yep. So I can adjust and work with my application. And if I log with another roles, it will be yeah a little bit less roles, so I can see roles and the Swagger API and permissions. So it's just a principal profile with different roles. So, but I can see these widgets created from admin side and work with my application. You can fully adjust roles and permission from, once again, admin side. I can find a role principal and adjust what this role should see in this page. Uh, and if we say about working with GitHub, so right now I made some little change. I looks like, as I remember, I add to this text small adjustment. It was like super, as I remember. Yep, super login, super admin. And let's check. What should I do? Okay. Uh, so if I want to make some hand changes, I should change it from GitHub page. I mean in master branch. And right now, if I push press deploy, it will take all my changes from master branch and push it to my AWS server. Oh no, sorry, it's right now it's Google Cloud server and deploy it. But once again, it's take I think maybe 5 minutes or less, and so on and so on. So yeah, right now it's deploying from my commit when I change this great adjustment for my text. Uh, so where is it? Yep. I have a lot of application, and all of them we can fully create with different type of stacks. For example, we can create an our application manually, so uh, we can choose front-end part. It's going to be React, Angular, or Vue. Let's say it's going to be Vue. We can choose backend. It's Node.js with SQLite or Node.js with type-rn. It's going to be Festify, as I remember, or just a standard app without any backend. We can choose backend part, but database part, sorry. And well, right now I use Postgres. On next step, we can choose design. I don't know, let's say material design for my Vue application. And once again, we can generate something for our application. I mean about schema. As usual, yeah, it takes something like 10 or maybe 20 seconds, and we will see another model structure for our application. And looks like I lose my application page. Yep, scroll up, still building from my commit. Yep, okay, finally. Yep, and once again, we have a structure with something interesting about model, and we can work with this part. And once again, we will get the application with choosing stack. Right now it's Vue, Node.js, Postgres, and material design. Uh, Where's my app? It's still building. Well, in general, if I don't miss something, looks like this all my part. Maybe I missed something, Alicia, or looks like
No,
uh,
it looks like you described everything how it works.
yeah. If I don't miss something, yeah. But in general, yeah, looks like this. So once again, in 5 minutes, you can get fully working application with front end, with backend part, and it's like a skeleton for your future Facebook or whatever you want. So it's like a magic. And yeah, all participant should get a promo code, yeah, for full access for our platform, and you can do whatever you want. You can push code, download code, work it locally, work it from GitHub with any IDE, so you can build anything. Yeah.
Yeah, and just to clarify, if you're building application through AI, the basic stack will be, as I'm right, React with Node.js Tailwind, and then the database it will be Postgres.
Yeah, yeah. By default, it's React with Next. Design we use Tailwind, and on backend side, it's Node.js with Express and Postgres database. Yeah, it is correct.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
looks.
That's it. I guess we can end this workshop. Um, if you guys have any other comments to add about Flatlogic, um, say that now, or maybe in the future for the next hackathons. We'd love to keep on working with you guys, and thank you for this workshop.
Yeah, yeah, sure. Thank you.
Sure. Thank you.
So, bye bye.
Goodbye.
Bye.